and welcome to the Travel and Adventure Show. We've got a huge day ahead of us. We're going to travel the globe all under one roof. Let's go. Namaste. You know what's fun is there's destinations from all over the world. You can go to Hawaii, you can go to Africa. It's all here.
I love coming to the Travel and Adventure Show. I've been speaking here for 7 years now. I love meeting people who have watched me for close to 2 decades now. It's so great to meet in person, as well as to hang out with all the other professional travelers, Rick Steves and Peter Greenberg and Lee Abamonte and Johnny Jett. We really are a tight-knit group who want to promote travel as much as we possibly can.
So I'm a huge fan of this show. You know, they got camels here and segways and all kinds of cool stuff. It's just fun.
The Travel and Adventure shows are the largest series of travel shows in the United States. We're in 8 major cities: Washington, D.C. and Philadelphia. We go to Chicago, we go to Dallas, Texas, Denver, San Francisco, L.A. and San Diego. And it's great because over 150,000 travelers come and make their travel plans here.
Really looking forward to the weekend to get some new ideas, maybe some deals, and of course, I brought my mom with me.
Wishing you the best on your next adventure, wherever that may take you. Happy travels.